It's now easier for veterans exposed to toxic materials while in the military to access health care.
This week, the VA expanded eligibility to millions of people. CBS 17 Sonica Bargo is live at the VA hospital in Durham with what this means for local veterans. In Sonica, we've been covering this a long time. It's a long time coming.
It is a long time coming, Russ, Liz. This comes under the 2022 PACT Act, and originally this expansion was supposed to happen by 2032, but the VA sped up that timeline, and all those veterans are eligible right now.
This will change the lives of many veterans.
VA hospitals across the country are gearing up to serve more combat veterans.
So this is big news.
Peter Tillman, Associate Director of the Durham VA Healthcare System, says this is the result of the 2022 PACT Act. The law expanded eligibility for VA healthcare to veterans exposed to toxic materials while in the military.
Many of those veterans that deployed and some that have been exposed to toxins stateside, have been exposed to some really nasty chemicals, some really nasty toxins.
The expansion was supposed to happen over 10 years, but the VA moved that timeline up to March 5th.
The whole idea here is to remove every barrier in the way for a veteran seeking care so we can fulfill our promise to care for those who have borne the battle and served our country.
Veterans who served in the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, or in any combat zone after 9/11 can apply right now for health care. They don't need to file a claim for benefits or be sick already.
They just need to show up and avail themselves as being a veteran.
This expansion also includes veterans exposed to toxins during training or service in the U.S.
And so we don't want veterans to wait. We want them to have the entire medical benefits package available to them when they need it.
I also asked Tillman why he's encouraging veterans to come to the VA specifically for their health care. He tells me many who work here are veterans themselves, and they can better understand what their patients have been through and the care they need. Live in Durham, Sonica Barco, CBS 17 News.
Yes, so many of them exposed during their service, whether at Fort Liberty, otherwise formerly known as Fort Bragg, and Camp Lejeune in the eastern part of our state. Sonica, a very important topic. Thanks for that.